energetic, inspirational good morning quotes for the day. Be blessed by the divine. Good morning. Kindness matters. The beauty of all living things is a compass pointing towards happiness. A positive view is essential to a better life. I hope these inspirational good morning quotes sparkle positive thinking today for you. Believe that you are beautiful and have what it takes to move mountains, and you will move mountains. Don't allow yourself to be let down by what others say. Get up and do what you can do best. Forget about what you couldn't achieve yesterday. Think of the wonderful things today has for you. Work with all your might towards them to make your day extraordinarily bright. The dreams you had last night can only become a reality if you get up and work at achieving them today. Every morning is an important milestone for the next thing to achieve. So don't waste any more time. Get out there and do your best. As you wake up from your slumber, do not look at today as an ordinary day. Look at it as the day that marks the beginning of your journey into prosperity. Get out there and grab all the opportunities that dwell on this beautiful day. Today is not just another day, but another possible chance to achieve what you couldn't achieve yesterday. Get on your feet and chase after your success. Today has a lot of good things for all who are alive in it. Wake up and pursue life with courage and hope, and I can assure you that your future is going to be bright. As you wake up from sleep today, know that I have faith in you. I believe in you, and I know you have what it takes to conquer the hurdles in your way. Just believe in yourself as I believe in you, and you will achieve remarkable things in this life. Start your day knowing that the desire for success is the first step to achieving greatness. If you have it, then get all out and take everything that this special day has made for you. The appearance of the sun every morning is a sign from God to let us know that there is new hope. See each day as a special day made for you to achieve what you couldn't achieve yesterday. The success you will achieve tomorrow depends much on the effort you put into the things that you do today. Wipe that sleep from your eyes, go into the world and make a better life for yourself. As I wish you a very good morning, I want you to know that mornings are there for us to start afresh and make people know that we can still become successful at what we failed yesterday. Don't stop pushing till you get what you want. Truly, many people will try to bring you down. They will hate you and say things to break you down. But you have to believe in yourself. Stand tall and face every trouble that comes your way. This is how you will be victorious in life. Today is a new day. So make sure you do not allow anything or anyone bring your spirits down. Always stay happy and smile at life, and it shall reciprocate by smiling back at you and making your day even lovelier. Today is a new day, and so you must have a new resolution, a new will, and a strong desire for success. Have a positive attitude towards life as you begin this day. I wish you strength to be able to make the best out of today. As you go out there, do your best and believe that the results will follow. Have a great day, and I hope this morning brings you good thoughts, positivity, and courage. As you open your eyes this fine morning, someone somewhere is taking their last breath on earth. What is the moral of this brief story? It teaches us to appreciate the life we have and make the best out of it. Have a good day. As this is a brand new day, let the sorrow and pains of the ill fortune you suffered yesterday go. Inspire yourself with the remarkable things you can achieve today. Have an awesome day. Today will never ever come back to you again. Do the best you can to achieve the success it has in it. Don't relax. Push harder, and you will definitely meet with success. Remember that the moment past cannot be gotten again. Make life meaningful for yourself while you have the strength and ability to. Have a great day full of success. As you begin this day, remember that there is no better tomorrow if you are always thinking about the sorrow and disappointments of the past. Have a wonderful day. Every day is also a new chapter of life. Everyone has the power to make that new chapter a very beautiful one, and you, my friend, are no exception. Today is another beautiful day made for you. Begin this brand new day with new hope and determination, and you will achieve whatever success you want to achieve. As you open your eyes to this beautiful day, my only advice for you is to never stop believing in yourself. You have what it takes to be successful and happy in this life. Never for a second stop having faith in yourself, and success will always accompany you. God always blesses us with the opportunities with every blessed day. Never forget that. Good morning. May the Almighty Force shower you with good health, long life, enough wealth, wisdom and peace today and every day in your life. May the Almighty Force protect you, guide you, lead you, support you at all times, at all places, and in all your duties. Be blessed by the Divine.